Does your employer offer a program that addresses your total health? Does it focus on body, mind, emotions, and spirit? Let's face it, most of us are on our own when it comes to addressing all aspects of our being. Sure, we may have health insurance, but that just may cover some expenses when we are sick or injured. What about preventing health or wellness issues in the first place? You're on your own, right? Not anymore. Join us and explore tools and techniques to attain equanimity and unity of body, mind, emotions, and spirit. Achieve work-life balance and total health. Experience total health by balancing body, mind, emotions, and spirit. Sign up today for the Total Health Summit. Visit https://totalhealth-summit.com for details. Attend anytime, from anywhere, and with any device. Register today. Early bird pricing ends soon.